To get started, first, type your search. I will search for dresses. Next, press on the extension. You have 5 functions available in this extension. We will use extract products. As you can see, we extracted the products in this list. To extract more, simply press Add to Export List. Then, go to the next page. Then press Add to Export List again. Do this as many times as you like. Alternatively, you can use the auto function, which will auto-switch the pages for you and add the data to the list. Let's try it. Once you're satisfied with the amount you extracted, press Stop. Now, to export this, press on the extension. Then, press Export. You can export it in many different ways. I will export it as HTML. After exporting, here is all the information we extracted. Let's try one more function. Let's say we want to get the reviews of this item. So, let's press on it. Then, go to Reviews. Then, press on the extension. As you can see, Extract Reviews is now available. Let's press on it. And let's press on the Auto function. Now, let's export this. Press on the extension. Then press Export. After exporting, here is all the information we extracted.